Hi, once again I'm back, Kaushi Chatterjee. In this video again we are going to discuss the same series, how to make money. And here we are again a new and different topic. So far we have made even a lot of videos, almost even couple of last event videos. In the series we have discussed a lot of things, lot of tools, lot of even machinery, lot of techniques, all we have discussed. Still, if you have some more questions, some more doubts, you're always welcome to my chat box, to my even mailbox. But yes, here again, we are going to discuss again a very unique event discussion, very unique discussion, how to make money, and that is the unique discussion of what exactly we are going to discuss. Now, whatever tools, if you have already even followed my last even videos, this series I'm just talking how to make money. This series and whatever videos already you have watched, if you have gone through, so maybe you have used maybe any of the technique, or maybe you are beyond that, you have even certain other plan. So I'm just telling whatever already you have discussed, maybe mutual fund, maybe even insurance, maybe let's say FD, maybe let's say RD, maybe let's say any other plan, even let's say your one time investment, any kind of mutual fund, even let's say whatever money you are getting, let's say at a time, when that also we are going to put it. So a lot of things we have to, even for children also we have already discussed. But it is not a question like, as I already mentioned several times, I've already mentioned how much you are getting money, how much you are earning. It's not important. The important part is, if you want to make your money 2x, 3x, 4x, 6x, 8x, even 10x, the important thing is how you are going to manage your money, and that way only you can make your money. So initial basic things, what you need to do, so you have to do certain portion of your earning, you have to keep it for a saving. Could be 20, could be 30, could be 40, whatever. Beyond that, if you're doing it, is fantastic, because you are making more coppers. That is simple theory already you have discussed. Now, here in this video, what exactly we are going to discuss the unique strategy, that is all about whatever investment, could be your insurance, could be your mutual fund, could be your RD, could be your FD. Every year, whatever, let's say as a bonus from the insurance product, let's say even your FD interest, or let's say your mutual fund, even let's say every year, whatever you are getting, even let's say if you're getting any kind of dividend also from any of your equity fund also, or maybe even your share market also, if you're getting even some of the money, all put together, you take out only your capital amount. So I'll just make it more simplified. So let's say I'm just investing, let's say today I'm just going to start my investment, let's say around 1 lakh, or maybe 10 lakhs. I'm just giving a simple example. Now next year, whatever I have invested towards my mutual fund, towards my even my insurance plan, towards my even RD plan, towards my XYZ, whatever even product or whatever plan even already I have invested, the tool I'm talking, because I'm not here to promote any kind of product, any kind of service, that I already even discussed even several times. Because you can discuss with your financial planner, you can discuss even a lot of financial organizations up there, you can take anyone help, because there are a lot of products, a lot of even plans are available. So I'm not here to promote anyone, I'm just talking about the tool. And that tool, whatever insurance, even mutual fund, even let's say any other tool, if you're going to invest, and that money whatever you are going to get, that money, if you are going to take out only the capital, and that capital if you are going to invest, let's say next year, that means you are making your money again even 2x, even 4x, even 8x. So I hope this is again a very unique technique. Any more question, any more thing, you can most welcome to my chat box or my mailbox. Thanks for watching.
We've been waiting for so long.